I had a friend share a video with me to review, and it's usually from the Christian genre, biblical genre, and was trying to figure out why the proposal was giving me such an irritable feeling in my body, and why I have such difficulty reviewing Christian or biblically based content, even if it is expanded consciousness. But I think because of my conscious expansion, new neurological pathways have formed, and I have created a mental block towards those, basically anything to do with biblical content, biblical language. It's like my brain has blocked off the receptors to process from within the biblical paradigm, and I was wondering why I was feeling so irritated by these advances, right? This person trying to make me understand from a biblical perspective, and I just can't. My brain has blocked it, and I just can't process it. Can't and don't want to. And it was helpful to understand why that is the case. I am ready to move on. I'm ready to no longer have my life defined by biblical content and biblical context, and I'm quite happy with that choice. But some people have a problem letting me go. Like, I'm not insisting that you let go of your Bible, but I would really prefer that you don't pursue me with your biblical stuff. I don't want to live in that context anymore. I don't want to have the Bible be the thing that keeps defining my life, right? Like, some people need their cup of coffee in the morning to set the tone for their day. I don't want the biblical cup of coffee to set the tone for my day. I'm going to be setting my own tone as to that which serves me and makes me feel good, right? And Bible topics don't make me feel good. If it makes you feel good, that's great. We don't have to share the same content to be happy, right? So, yeah. No, I'm done. I think I'm done with that world, and I'm just enjoying my human experience now as a human, not as a Christian. And I like this freestyle. I like this freestyle way of being. living at a whim of new inspiration. And yeah, navigating everyday life, like navigating these puddles.